Today we're going to start the first lecture of Mobile Application Development Lab. In the first lecture, we will discuss how to download the Android Studio in Windows so that we can perform application development for Android platform. Okay, let's start. So Android is an open source Linux-based operating system for mobile devices such as smartphone or tablet computers. So again, open source means that it is freely available on internet. You can download the Android Studio through internet and run on your computer. Android offer a unified approach to application development for mobile devices, and the application run on different devices powered by Android. So unified means that you can only develop the application that can only run on Android platform. So whatever application you design or develop, so it can be run on any mobile, any tablet having platform of Android. So that's we call it as a unified approach. Android Studio is integrated development environment for Android development application. The integrated development environment is a software for building application that combines various developing tools with the help of a graphic user interface. And these tools help us to design good effect to the mobile development. Integrated development environment consists of the code editor and the debugger, that you can edit the code that you have to design for your application, and you can also find is there any bug in the application to correct the operation being performed by the application. Android Software Development Kit provides all necessary tools to develop the Android application. So software development kit is an inbuilt tool of the Android system. So whenever we install the Android on our computer, it always asks that you want to install software development kit as well as you want to install virtual device. So these two are the important factors that you always have to install with the Android Visual Studio. So software development kit contain tools to create, compile the Android applications. It means it's helpful for the creation of the application as well as to compile to find that we are getting the good result. SDK also provide an Android device emulator so that the Android application can be tested without a real Android phone. So what is an emulator is? Emulator means that whenever we design any application in our Android Studio, we always have to check the result of it, that whether we are getting the good answer of our application. So if we are designing the mobile application, definitely we have to run that application on the mobile phone. So instead of connecting your mobile phone with the computer or with your laptop, whatever, so we use the emulators. Emulator act as a virtual mobile that whenever you design, so it display, it gives the output, a similar device such as a mobile phone, same shape of the mobile phone you appear on screen, and it gives the output that definitely look like the output that you're getting on your mobile phone. So emulator is a virtual mobile phone through which, with the help of which, we can find the output of our application and we can check that whatever we have designed in the application is giving us the good results. This is what is an emulator is. We can create Android virtual device via the Android software development kit, which run in this emulator. So again, emulator is what is an Android virtual device, or you can say virtual mobile. The Android software development kit contains Android debug page tool, which allow to connect to the virtual or real Android device. So again, whenever you design an application in Android Studio, so you can check the output of that application either by attaching the mobile phone to the computer or laptop, or you can either get the output with the help of the virtual machine or the emulator. So the new version of the Android Studio has such type of output. So what are the features of Android Studio? So an environment where one can develop for all Android devices. So it gives us an environment in which we can develop the application that can run on any Android device or device that is having the platform of Android. So we get such type of environment in which we can design the application for Android platform. We can update the code and add resources without starting the application. So if we have designed an application and we can make some addition to the application to make it more advanced version of it, and definitely add some new resources to it without restarting the application. Gradle based system means Gradle means that it is having some advanced build toolkit, and that toolkit help us to create and to manage the application, and it performs some functions automatically to process the application and give up the output. So that is a Gradle based system in which some of the functions are being performed automatically by the application. High feature and fast emulator, we always get a fast results. Whatever we design with the help of emulator, we get the fast result. And extensive testing tools and frameworks. So various testing tools are available with the help of which we can get the good results, and definitely frameworks are already written that these are the structure of the designing of the coding, in which half of the structure is being already inbuilt in the Virtual Studio application and half of the work you have done by yourself. So these are some of the features of the Android Studio. Android Studio is a heavy software. So definitely if it is heavy software, the configuration of system should be advanced. So we cannot run the Android Studio in a unupdated configuration of a system. If we install it, then our system will stop working because the system will unable to run that application, a heavy application, if the configuration of the system is not up to date. So the Microsoft in Windows 7 or 10, you can have either 32-bit or 64-bit. So as per that, you can download the Android Studio. The Android Studio come under the version of 32-bit as well as 64 bits. So you can accept any one of it, whatever configuration your system have. So it is always recommended that the minimum size of the RAM that is being required by a system is 4GB. 2 GB will be occupied by the Android Studio itself, and nearly about 1 GB will be occupied by the emulator and the software development tools. So huge size of RAM will be required whenever we want to run the Android Studio application. To get the good results, definitely we have a good resolution pixel screen also. So the better configuration for the pixel screen is 120 by 800. And hard disks, again, heavy software, heavy product. So least size must be 250 GB or more. And definitely we need a fast processor to run the heavy software. We always need some fast processor also. So the requirement for the system configuration should be up to date. We should not have the old version of the configuration. So just keep on updating the system configuration. Today we learn how to install the Android Studio in Windows platform. So either we can you can get the copy of the executable file from someone else, or you can collect it from the website. The website is developer.android.com. Open the browser, go to the website, and download the Android Studio from there. After downloading, you will get some executable file. When you open the website, click download the Android Studio. For Windows platforms, you have the various platform over there. You can Ubuntu for Linux, you have Windows, Macintosh, and whatever platform you are having, you can download that version of the Android Studio. So as we are talking about Windows, so we click on the download Android Studio for Windows platform. Click all the that you have read all the agreements of terms and conditions, and save the prompt button. So whatever location you want to save that download the exe file. So select that location and the downloading will start. Wait till 100% downloading is not done. So you have to wait for till 100% downloading. After downloading has finished, open the file from the download or whatever location your file is being saved and run it. So when you click the executable file, the very first screen that you catch on your computer or laptop will be the welcome to the Android Studio setup. The setup will give you to the installation process of the Android Studio. Just click on next button. So the dialog box appear. Welcome to Android Studio. Click the next button. The prompt will ask you for the path for installation. It will give you some default path of the C drive, or you can make your own whatever path you want to save that. If you're already having the Android Studio in your system, then you choose the config the installation folder. If you're not or not have any pre-installed Android Studio in system, then you're installing the Android Studio first time, then go for the do not import settings. So it is recommended that you always go for the do not import setting as you're installing the Android Studio first time on your system. So after that, you get such type of screenshot on your screen. Click next. Again, you got option of standard setup or customize. So it's always recommended that you go for the standard. So Android Studio will be installed with most common settings and options, and most of the users are always recommended to go for the standard. If you have a very good knowledge of Android Studio, then you can go for the customize option, or you can make some changes of the settings as per your wish or requirement. And after selecting the standard option, click on the next. After this, you can verify how much memory space is being occupied by all the components of the Android Studio. If it is an older version, then it will take nearly about 500 MB, or if it is a higher version, it will take nearly about 1 GB. So the new version will take more space, and the older version will take some less space. So usually the older version having a symbol of something like this A with a background circle of green, and the newer version having something like this option like this Android Studio with having a fox over there. So new version having such type of logo over there, and the old version having the circle green, background circle green, and the alphabet A with the white color. Okay, then because it's a heavy software, it will take some time to download. So wait until it's 100% get downloading at 100% done. After that, you will get a setup like download component are finished or downloaded. So click on the finish. So once the installation and the initial setup is complete, the Android Studio starts. Since it is the first time you are starting the Android Studio, it will present you with the welcome to Android Studio screen. So such type of output you will get on your screen that you are going to start some new project. Whenever we make some new application, we make some coding for new application, we call it as a project. So click on start a new studio or a new Android Studio project that I'm going to design some new application for the Android Studio. Click over there, and you got such type of option over there. No activity option, basic activity, empty activity. So as we are going to perform first time, so choose the option phone and tablet and go for the no activity. Select the option no activity, and in such pattern, we will install the Android Studio, and we can start the coding to develop an application. So this is all about how we can install the Android Studio on our screen. So again, do remember that whenever you want to start download, uh, go to the website that is the developer.android.com. So just write this address on your web browser, open the website. So if you're having a window platform, select the window platform and download the Android. If you have some other platform, you can choose the Android Studio to the option from that particular platform option. So this is how we can download the Android Studio. Again, do not forget to add Android virtual device as well as software development kit. So these are some of the toolkits that will help us to debug, and Android virtual device will help us to tell us that what type of output you will get instead of attaching any mobile phone to a system. This Android device will show us the output. Okay, student, within a few seconds, this is going to be closed. So I will send you the request again, then join again. So maybe in a few seconds it will get close. Huh?